Hey folks, I'm here with Dan Glassman. Dan Glassman, he owns this Ram pickup, 1 ton. He's got an Aluma tray on the back. He's got a Back Country. This one used to be a Camp X. This is a 2020, I believe he said. We're just going to ask him a couple of questions. Kind of got to go old school here. I've only got one mic with me here today. So I'll ask some questions. I'll hand him the mic and we'll just pass it back and forth here. So, hey Dan, thanks very much for joining us.
Yeah.
Dan's you're from California. Up here, do you mind sharing with us what you like about the camper?
What do I like about the camper? I like things that are going to stand the test of time. I think when I was looking for a camper, I wanted something that I knew was going to be tough. It's tough, it's simple, and it works right.
Right on.
Yeah.
How long have you had it for?
I've had the camper since I've had the camper since this whole setup was completed in June 2022. And I've been using it every other weekend since then. It's enabled month-long road trips, one of which I'm in the middle of right now, and I love it. Comfort and ease and home away from home. Yeah.
If there's one thing on this thing that you could change that really pisses you off, what would it be?
I would. If there's one thing on this that I could, if I could change one thing that really pisses me off, it'd be the pull-out drawer in the back on the flatbed. It's not airtight. It gets dusty. I think rather useless. And since I've been here, I've seen that the new ones don't do that. They're airtight, which is super awesome.
With the camper itself?
And on the camper itself, I don't know if you want me to hear me say this, but the one thing I changed was I changed the sink, and now I'm really happy with that. The stock sink didn't work for me. I put in a deep sink, and it's like night and day as far as usability. Outside of that, really happy with the whole thing. Little tiny tweaks. We talked about storage underneath the seats as options that I don't have. You know, you could always do more storage, but no big things I'd change with it. Love it.
Cool. So for your setup or for your usage, the nice thing about this is that your setup, you got the slide-in backcountry right now. You've also got the Aluma Trays. So should Dan ever want to, if he's gonna, you never know. Things happen. You meet someone, you have kids, you do whatever. He'll have the ability to remove those side boxes. He can always go up to a Hudson Bay flatbed or something like that. But anyways, no, it's cool when we don't get the opportunity to see all of our customers actually come up and make a shop visit with us. So when it does happen, it's very cool. We get to know them and find out what they actually do with the camper and things like that, and get the feedback. We're always looking for the feedback. So Dan, I want to thank you for coming on in. Truth be told, Dan had a little issue with a water leak, and we found the source of the issue really quickly, and we took care of it. And then we took the opportunity to go through the camper while it was here, and we made some little changes, improved some things. We did some reseals where we felt reseals needed to be done for them, and we took care of that stuff. So anyways, it's always good to have your camper inspected by one of our dealers annually, especially on the LP side. On the propane side, you should always have that checked annually. But coat your soft walls, do little things like that. Always check your roof seals and things like that, even on the side walls, etc., because if you're parking outside all the time, you got UV, it's just maintenance, right? So again, Dan, thanks very much. I hope you enjoy the rest of your trip.
Yeah.
And we'll catch you soon, I hope.
Appreciate it. Thanks so much. Appreciate the opportunity to see the shop and And like you mentioned, this is coming up on 5 years for the camper, and 3 to 4 years for the rest of the build. And it was eye-opening, and just time for a little maintenance. We'll go beat the shit out of it some more.